What's good, everyone? BTC the Villain back with another video. It's been a while, and so I had some stuff going on, and I'm finally decided to get back to what I love doing most, copping shoes. So let's get right into it. Now, as you guys can see, this is a different Jordan box. You see all these broken planks of wood all nailed together with a red Jumpman on the box. Turn these over to the side. Air Jordan 5 Retro Varsity Red, Black, and White. Size 13. MSRP Canadian. Oh, that's different. $255. Oh, these came from Canada. Okay. All right, as we peel the top up off that, we got this white paper with the same wooden planks on it as the box. Peel that back. Oh, you already see them. Peel that back. First of all, we got a GOAT sticker. Did cop these off GOAT. Not immediately. I had to wait until the price dropped a little bit. As you guys can already see, these are the Jordan 5 Raging Bulls. Let me take these out of the box so I can show you guys, give you guys a closer look. Now, first of all, you have this GOAT verified. I guess it's the quality control tag. Now we got that out the way. Yeah, man, the Jordan 5 Raging Bulls, man, I've been waiting. Oh, the camera makes these look oh so good, but it's not as red in person as it is on camera. But as I was trying to say, yeah, man, I've been waiting for these to re-release. I've always wanted them. I feel like this is a top Jordan 5 retro. I mean, it's not this ain't a retro, but I think it's a top 3 Jordan 5 colorway of all time. Just this all red. When it came out with the pack with the 3M, not a lot of people like the 3M, but everybody loved this one. I'm happy to have these in my hands. Get into a bit of a review. As you guys can already see, these are all around red suede, all over the place. 23 on the heel, clear netting on the side, black eyelets, red laces, clear netting on the tongue silver with a black Jumpman, black midsole with the shark teeth with red tips, black inner lining. There's a black insole with a white Jumpman. On the bottom, it's all clear. It's a little bit tinted blue. Outsole, black Jordan, red Jumpman, black toe. Even the lace lock is clear with that red on it. And yeah, man, I'm really excited to have these. I'm really excited that these came in. I feel like I got my hands on them. I had to pay the resale price. I had to, bro. It's just, I had to bite the bullet. Paid around $300 for these, but you know, it is what it is. I had to do it. So yeah, that's just my little quick look at these. Quick little review at these. Oh man, I love these already. I never had a pair of Raging Bulls. I had a pair of metallics. I got a pair of Fire Reds right now, but I never had these. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.